Good morning, guys. You do not want to miss this video. I'm going to show you some things that I actually haven't shown you guys before. It'll just be interesting. You're going to see why I transition over to altcoins during the times of crashes. And I'll show you guys, I'll prove to you that money's been moving out of Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it's actually been pushing into the altcoins because they're at lower positions. And those are the ones I feel that are going to pump greater than the actual larger, coins, Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'll show that to you guys and I'll prove that to you. Very interesting case study today. We are currently sitting at 100 for 100 wins on this channel, guys. We've never lost a trade, and I will keep showing you guys how we're going to be winning these trades, and we'll just go into 2022 and see what we can hit as a goal, all right? So I'll teach you guys in the second half of this video how to get into our membership, how to get over here, how to trade with us. We average between 10 to 15% per trade that we take over here. We won 16.16% on Matic, and the trade after that was actually Mana, very close but different coins. This is Polygon, and this is Decentraland, actually, 10.86. So between 10 to 15% per trade is what we're winning, and we've done literally 100 for 100 wins. We've never lost a trade. I'll show that to you guys in the second half of this video, and I'll also show you guys the Christmas sale that's ending in 72 hours. You guys have 3 days left to get our indicators, and they're all going to be going up in price. Do not miss that sale. It's in the description. All right, let's dive in here. I want to show you guys something. What do you see happening with the price versus well money flow the last 24 hours, let's say? We saw a push up into the top red section, and the well money flow was high. This was probably, I said this in the Ethereum video, this was probably one of the top 3 easiest calls we've ever made on crypto for a crash back down. It was just a really easy call. All of our metrics, all of our indicators are like, this is overextended, the markets doesn't look like it's ready to go up, and we saw it move back down. What I'm about to do is show you guys some more information behind the scenes of a precursor of how you guys can predict this even more. Now, I'm absolutely convinced of this because we do have the highest win rate on all of YouTube for winning trades here, and we really have, we honestly have video record of all of this. So the trend exhaustion price versus well money flow. Watch this for a second with me. This is why you guys want to get these on your charts. When we push the top section here and the top red section, we're not going to cherry pick this at all. What do you guys see happening on the charts when we get up to these top areas? If you guys can watch this, and this hit the top area right here. We actually didn't hit the top here, but it still ended up dropping over here. We're just going to call this. What happens is the price is starting to move back down rapidly. I want to explain to you guys why this is so ridiculously accurate, because I think if you guys have an understanding of why we're able to literally predict these global crypto crashes in here, like it doesn't matter what all the big guys, what Elon Musk is doing, all these other people, Jack Dorsey on Twitter, all these influencers, okay? Grayscale. These indicators are calling the drops, and they are all seeing the same drops on their computer screens, and all those hedge funds are saying the same thing. So let me show you and teach you guys why they're so powerful. I don't know if I've actually done a video about this, and then I'm going to give you guys even more information on this. This is just going to be a video you don't want to miss, okay? All right. Showing the trend exhaustion. This is actually calculating the behavior of trades on the blockchain when they reach certain levels in a trend. This is why it's called a trend exhaustion. If you guys want to know, the most powerful way to make money in a market to sell is to sell at the top of a trend. Why? Because that's when a trend reverses back down. Now, where's the strongest place to buy in a market? It's when the downtrend is looking to reverse. Now, is it helpful to actually get in on the upside of the trend, or is it helpful to get down at the bottom? Obviously, it's helpful to get down at the bottom. So the trend exhaustion gets down to the bottom section here, and the price actually moves straight up after that. The trend exhaustion moves to the bottom section. The trend literally stops. Bitcoin literally stops for the indicator, and it moves back up. Bitcoin over here, it could have gone lower. What happened? It stopped over here because it's programmed to look at the structures and actually show you guys when money's about to flow back into the market. This is how powerful this is. It's actually insane if you guys know the coding behind this. So, and you guys literally can get these indicators today in the description. They're 84% off. I'm not turning this into a sales video, but if you guys want to get them before Friday, because that's when the prices are going up. That's the trend exhaustion. Now let me switch here and explain to you guys the price versus well money flow. The price is in pink, the well money flow is in green. Okay, price is obvious, that's just price. The well money flow. When you guys start to see money flowing out of the market, this literally shows you guys what's happening on the blockchain as far as money moving in and out of the market for the blockchain. Once this reaches a lower section here, this is actually coded to show the behavior of what whales are doing when the money starts getting very low. They look to switch to long trades because they're tired of selling, and they're getting the price at a nice demand low, and they're starting to push money back into the market. Well, take all this into consideration, what I just showed you guys, and let's make a clean chart. What's been happening here? The well money flow got high, looking for whales to switch positions from what? Long trades to short trades, or either selling their long trades that they're currently in. Selling, 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 selling. Yeah, that was predictable. That's how we were able to call the crash. Now we're sitting down here at the bottom looking for this move back up here. Trend exhaustion low, price swell money flow low, looking for them to buy the demand of a lower price. Okay, this is why you guys need to get these indicators off your charts. These are retail indicators, and we do not use any of these indicators over here, obviously because they're not on the chart here. This is the dashboard that I use to spy on retail traders. I know it might sound a little weird, but literally, when the entire market and everybody's moving averages are saying, hey, the trend is your friend, follow momentum, we're going down, we are buying down at these areas to ride this back up. We're not going to be selling, okay? That's what a lot of people are doing in here. When the market goes down, we're not selling our positions. Like, this is our break even. We're not selling, we're holding. Why? Because this is when the demand takes over and the price starts moving back up. This is why a lot of retail traders are losing in the market right now. And when you guys start trading with us, we have people on the testimonials page literally going 25 or 25 wins. And they're like, I've never lost a single trade with you, Travis. And why is that? It's because we are not trading emotionally. Let me prove this to you further. Watch this. We're going to go over the metrics now for Bitcoin. If you guys have ever sat behind your computer screen and you're like, why in the world, every time I place a trade, there's someone on the other side of the screen that's placing a trade against me and the market's going down? I guarantee you it is because it's one reason. You are trading with emotions and you're not trading with wells and institutions. And I'll show you how to do that. We literally have a metric that trades with wells and institutions. And they literally showed you guys, I did this on the Ethereum video too, I showed you how the short trades were coming out in the market and this could not head up any higher. But what happened? Watch this. This came out here, the market's moving up. If you go straight up here, what's happening? Everyone is getting excited. You as a retail trader, if you FOMO'd into this move up here, you guys are part of the group that are trading emotionally. This is why you feel the trades going against you every single time you get into a market. And this is why the traders that are trading with us literally are feeling the market feel like it's always going into their favor. And we're not losing trades over here. It's because we are not trading with any emotion. I have the emotional chart here to check your emotions every morning. Before you enter a trade on any of these coins, come over here and check your emotions. Are you fearful or are you greedy this morning? Yesterday, a lot of people were getting, greedy. The market's heading up. We officially hit an uptrend, guys, a low, a high, a higher low, and a higher high. That is an official, calculated, fundamental uptrend. People were getting excited in the market. Okay, we know that emotional index. Let's move down here. Actually, I'll get to the well institutional trades in a second. Look at long versus short trades on the blockchain. Yes, long trades were moving up here, and short trades were staying the same. So this still looks a little bit of bullishness in the market, so we want to watch that for maybe a pump back up. But as we move down here, looking at where favor was lying, it was in the neutral section. Okay, great. The point I want to get to is the well and institutional smart money. Wells, institutions, and smart money run the market. Period. They run the market. Now, are they always going to get what they want? No, because this is something that's not taught on any YouTube channel that I've seen. The collective willpower and the collective emotion and the collective money of all retail traders are one of the biggest wells in the entire crypto market. And that is not talked about online. All you guys hear, a lot. I'm not trying to bash any channels, by the way. That's not my point on this at all. But what you hear is grayscale. You hear these other people, Elon Musk having all this money. You hear all these institutions and these big names out there that are saying, hey, we're buying 4,000 Bitcoin. And that's what you hear. And a lot of people follow that. But what people are not understanding is there's a collective well out there, and it's called the retail traders. And when they get emotional, guys, they can actually not go in the same direction as well as institutions. But this is the metric you guys want to be watching because this has held true more than any times before. Here's what happened. When you guys were all getting very afraid in here, I'm saying you guys as a general statement, okay? People are trading with us. Obviously, we're not. We're buying this, and you guys are doing great. When the market was going down here, what was happening with wells and institutions? They were only buying this, and the market jumped back up here. And anybody who bought in here, anybody bought here, anybody who bought down there, they all were in the profit up here taking profits. Why do I know that? Because they didn't place any more long trades. They switched over to short trades to drop the market out on us. Does that make sense, guys? Watching this metric here is so powerful. And this metric right here, you guys get with all the coins on all 12 that we're recording here, okay? Watch this metric. If this starts moving up here like this in the next few days, you will want to watch for, possible moves down here again. Excuse me, if it moves, let me reverse this, I'm sorry. As price moves up, you want to watch for short trades in the market. As price moves up here, you want to watch for short trades. So as the market's moving up, you want to watch for the shorts. As market's moving down, you want to watch for long trades. So this has been drastically moving back down. So as the market moved up here, we saw short trades increase in the market and it dropped the market. As it's going down, you're most likely going to see this move backwards, which it is absolutely doing that, and it's going to start getting closer to long trades for them to buy the dip. Because I do see this already that we're looking for a dip to be bought. All right, let's keep going here, and I'll show you guys some other things, and I'll get you guys into these trades. So Support and resistance prices. As far as the support here, I'm looking at $48,000, and then as far as the resistance, it's going to be at about $52,000 is what I'm looking at. The strongest level of support is down here at $45,000. So let's take a look at $45,000. That's right down here on this level. We need to stay above this ascending support line. So let me show this to you guys and give you reference of what I'm looking at here. This is a one touch here. This is a second touch on the candle wick crash that we had, and this would be a third touch over here. This is right around the area of $45,000. So $45,000 is absolutely where we could be heading down to in this market right now. However, I do think we are going to start seeing money flow back into the market here, and we're going to start seeing it move back up. So if this does pump down to $45,000, okay, $45,000, we most likely will see a bear trap, trapping a lot of people to the downside, freaking them out, and then this is going to probably start moving up very quickly. Now, if that does not happen, then we need to just assess the market, because if this is broken right here, and we come over here and we look at support, we need to be looking at about $43,000, which basically puts us at wick value low. We really do not want to break this ascending support line. If it does, the next support is going to be down here, and that's going to be at around $40,000. And if that's broken, yes, there's a scenario of $30,000 drop on Bitcoin. I do not think we're going to hit $30,000. If anything, the biggest projection is going to be down here. Okay. Just going to keep going here. And I want to show you guys something in the end of this video. It's going to be a little bit longer, but I'm going to show you guys something with dominance because I want to end it with that. I'll show you guys how to get the indicators first, though. Dollar cost average entries. If you guys have $10,000 and you want to put money into the market, $1,000 every time, great. This is great entries to just be dollar cost averaging in on the dip. If this goes down further, you guys are going to see more bars come out and you guys can get into the market there. It's fantastic. Looking over here, we did see this come out the other day, so it was calling an exit for anybody in the long trades. We didn't call any exits because we were waiting to get into the profit. But if you guys were in some long trades, this is a great place to look for some profits and then to see a move back down. So great job for everybody who did that. All right. Let me get you guys into the membership real quick and so you guys know this, and I'm going to show you guys something with the dominance charts here in a second. You don't miss that. Money's flowing out of the big coins and it's moving into coins like ADA and Matic. That's why those are due for some crazy pumps here, especially ADA. $49 a month, guys. That's all you guys are going to be paying for this. It's not any more expensive. I am going to be upping the price of this membership so you guys can... Here's the thing. I'm hiring more employees because we're exploding over here and we're doing very well. I will up this. So what I would promise you guys this, and I've checked this with our platform 3 times just to make sure. They're like, yep, every time. You guys are going to be able to keep your membership at $49 a month, literally for life. As long as you guys keep your membership, you guys will be able to keep it for $49 forever when this price goes up. All right? No questions asked. When it goes up here, and let's say it's $60, $80, $100, doesn't matter what it is per month, you guys will stay at $49. That's going to give you access to all the metrics up here, and this is where you guys want to be hanging out. This is where every single one of the 100 trades have been taken, and this is where they've been called. It's on the front page under the live trades. So let's just move in here real quick. You guys can click any of these coins. I'm going to show you Bitcoin because I want to make this a little bit longer video and show you something else. Here's what you guys are going to be doing. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, all these metrics are going to be updating. So let's pretend you guys have $1,000 you want to enter this trade with. You guys choose the amount, right? Take whatever amount you want to trade each of our coins with and split it into 4 equal portions. It's just $250 each for this example. Split it into 4. It doesn't matter. If it's a $4,000, it would be $1,000 each. Okay. Place 25% at each buy limit in here. Okay. Each buy limit. Once your first buy limit is hit, then set a sell limit up here at the green price for $58,900 in this example. This may update, so make sure you guys are watching this, okay? Set all the buy limits up at once and do not move them. Let them all get hit if they all get hit. These are going to update every day because new traders are coming into the market and new positions are going to be given to new traders every single day. Once your first buy limit is hit, do not move any of the buy limits below this and just set your sell limit up, okay? Once you do that, here's the last step. You guys want to join the Telegram channel. Why? Because this is where all the exits are being called and we're keeping track of the wins and you guys are making your moolah, okay? A lot of people are doing extremely well trading our channel. You need to sign in on Telegram on your phone or your computer first, and then you guys want to come over here and you want to click this link and it will give you guys a hot link into the channel where you guys can join all of our subscribers, where we're calling exits with the indicators, price risk, while money flow, and trend exhaustion. You guys saw the accuracy that I showed you already this morning on the Bitcoin video. You guys need to be getting these indicators. They are 84% off and they will never be lower than this price again. I promised you guys this before and I've kept my word. This is the last time that you guys can get this for quite a while. I don't know when the next sell and indicator bundle is going to be. I am going to be looking to up the price of the bundle pack, so that makes it even more prudent that you guys get this today. You guys are going to get 84% off all the indicators and you have 72 hours left or 3 days left. It ends Friday. Okay, today's Wednesday. Technically, you have 3 days left if we count today, but you've got like 2 days if you're not counting today. Make sure you guys are getting this. Click this link right here it will give you all the indicators I'm using on my chart, trend dashboard, trend exhaustion, and price or swell money flow. And it will also give you guys 6 indicators on top of those 3. I'm going to start using the other indicators coming into 2022, so you guys want to have all those. I'm going to be upping the price of the price for swell money flow. I'm upping the price of the trend exhaustion. I'm upping the price of the trend dashboard, okay? These are going up in the next few months. So it is absolutely prudent that you guys come in here and you guys get the bundle pack, because this is not only going to save you the most, it will be going up in price as well, $50 at the end of the month. Get this bundle pack, guys. Enter coupon code Christmas. You can capitalize it. You can lowercase it, whatever you want. Make sure you guys do that. Last thing, and I want to show you guys dominance. If any of you guys have purchased our individual indicators in the past and you want to upgrade to the bundle pack, you guys can do that. Email us at btradeconfident@gmail.com. While this is on sale, you want to do this. So if you guys have purchased the trend exhaustion, the price or swell money flow, or if you've purchased both, we will look up your purchase. We'll see how much money you've spent. We'll just send you a PayPal invoice for the difference, and I'll give you guys the bundle pack, and you guys can have that forever. And these are a one-time purchase. Because this is so low, you want to take advantage of this. I'm not going to force you to buy the bundle pack just to get all the indicators, guys. That's ridiculous. Like, I will honor you guys. If you purchased an indicator in the past, let me know. I'll give you the difference, and you guys can upgrade to the bundle before the price goes up. These are lifetime purchases. These are not monthly memberships on the indicators. They're just, you purchase it once and you get them for life. Okay. Let me show you this. I want you guys to pay attention right now to the dominance chart. You guys can close this video right now. You guys can get the indicators in the description. You guys can get the membership. Get the membership and the indicators and get in the Telegram channel today. Do it before Friday, please. You will save yourself so much money, and when things go up in price, you're going to kick yourself because you're like, why am I paying hundreds of more dollars when everything is so cheap right now? Get the indicators in the subscription. Just want to make that clear. If you want to stick around for this, because I think this is actually going to be very good. Anybody who's joined me for longer than a month, please watch this. It will give you guys some really good insights into the market. Okay, watch this. This is the dominance chart. I went up here and I clicked the plus sign and I typed in BTC.D. All right, this is showing us the dominance of what's happening on the basically for the crypto market cap. Is money moving into Bitcoin for overall in the crypto market cap and the overall industry of crypto, or is money moving out? That's the easiest way to say this. Watch this. As the price was moving up here, money was actually flowing out of the market as far from a crypto cap perspective. It's called literally crypto cap right here. It's moving out. Okay, interesting. Watch Ethereum real quick. What did you guys see on Ethereum? You need to come in here and change this to ETH.D. A lot of people are going to ask me, how do you calculate this? Again, I'm going to show you guys. Click the plus sign. You guys can come up here and do ETH.D on whatever ticker you're going to trade, and then click this first one right there. That's how you do that. What do you guys see happened over here? Well, you saw price action move up. What happened? Dominance moved out of the market. Okay, here's something that people may not understand how to read this, but it's actually pretty obvious and it's staring you in front of the face right now. Okay, guys, dominance is moving out for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Where the heck is all the other money going? If money's moving out, and this is a calculation of all the money on literally the overall blockchain as a whole for crypto, if money's moving out of Bitcoin and Ethereum, where is it going? Well, it's either going into people's wallets because they're selling, or they're just, and I don't mean a crypto wallet. I'm literally meaning like their own wallets, like they bring cash out of their exchange, or they're sitting in fiat. Or another thing that's happening is people are actually buying the altcoins instead of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Look at this. Look at Ethereum and how much this is crashing down. This is clearly in a downtrend right now. Now watch this. I'm going to do something. I don't want this to confuse you guys, but we're going to go to ADA.D, and I'm going to put this on the price chart as well, and it's going to be in a different color. Do you see what's happening with ADA right now for the dominance? People are buying it. It is an exact opposite correlation. This is what's called a negative correlation. Positive correlation is when two metric values move in the same direction. A negative correlation is when two metric values move in an opposite direction. So money's flowing out of the market for Ethereum, and money is flowing into the market for ADA. This is why I've been bullish on ADA. You guys might want to get some money into ADA, as this thing could start pumping back up. I know it's moving down here, but if you guys are looking at ADA here, people are buying this more than they are Ethereum. There's no lying about this. This is literally the market cap calculation. So, and watch this as well. I'll show you another coin that people are buying while they're dumping Ethereum and BTC. How about Matic? Matic.D. Come in here and look at this. They're also buying Matic as well. What you guys can do today is come in here and look at this and just keep going through the different coins here and see what people are buying, because they're dropping Ethereum and Bitcoin and they're buying the altcoins. Now, I'm going to extend this video even further, and I'm going to explain to you guys why. I told you guys I'm going to give you a ton. I know this is going to be like a 30-minute video, but I want to give this to you guys. Here is my prediction of what's going to happen, and I've already seen this play out. You guys are going to see this. If the crypto market crashes, look at where watch this. Well, look at where Ethereum is. Do you guys see how ridiculously high Ethereum is in overall perspective where we've been at the bottom? We're way up here. We have a huge drop to move back down. All right, look at 88 for now. We're down at the bottom here. Like, here is the top up here on Coinbase. The bottom is at $1. Guys, this is where 88 likes to go. Obviously, I know it goes lower than $1. Hear me out here. But here is where the drop is. Look at the space we have before we get to the bottom area, before we see it jump back up. Now look at where Ethereum has to go to, even if we call the support down here. Let's not pick the bottom. Let's go to the bounce. It's all the way down here. The amount of space that altcoins have to move down is way less than the bigger coins in order to get a bounce. Okay, this is why I believe if the crypto market starts moving down for Bitcoin and Ethereum, this is why I'm mostly allocated into altcoins right now, because visually people are going to see 88 at a super low price and they're going to transition their money into altcoins because they're lower and they're going to make more money on the altcoins. And this has been proven to you with the dominance chart on today's video. I know that was a lot, but that is what you guys need to be understanding. I hope you guys see that from today's video. What I've done is I've followed suit with this. Okay, let me prove to you guys, case in point. I put all my money where my mouth is, okay? I have 1.33% of Ethereum, and I've got 22% in EOS. Cardano, I have 13%. I am doing exactly what I'm telling you guys I'm doing, and I'm following the dominance. This is why I'm heavily into altcoins right now and not that heavy into Bitcoin at all. Actually, I don't hold any Bitcoin or Ethereum because of the dominance chart I just showed you guys. Hopefully you guys can understand all this and you guys get a lot of value from this channel. Feel free to, I literally have not said this for like months. Feel free to like and subscribe if you guys want, to the channel. Biggest thing I want to leave you guys with today is make sure you guys are setting up the indicators and you guys are getting into the membership, okay? You guys want to get the indicators before they go up in 72 hours. Do that for sure. I'm calling exits, and that's how we're not losing trades over here. Making sure you guys are getting the membership and joining us in these trades. You guys are going to do fantastic. I will teach you guys how to trade with really good risk management. And we guys, even when this market crashes, like even if we head all the way back down here and we crash down to these lows again, we're probably only going to lose about 5% of our portfolio because we are cash heavy right now, and we're just going to buy the dip. I will help you guys keep your accounts safe. I can't promise that. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm going to put my money where my mouth is, and I'm going to show you how I'm doing it with $100,000 and show you guys how to do this successfully. All right, guys, God bless you so much. Hopefully this was a very good video for you guys to watch and you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys later. Make sure you guys get the indicators before they go up in price, and make sure you guys get the membership before that goes up as well, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.